you pitch.
Move like that, baby. 'Cause you want it on my senses. I'm lost in the blue of your eyes. Yeah, yeah.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so when we upload, you guys will know. So today is going to be two things: an update on the Roush, and we're going to do a tune-up, oil change, and everything on the G35. So news on the Roush. I'm going to start right off the bat. Clutch just stopped working. It just didn't stop working. Come to find out, the flywheel was a little out of balance and it wasn't fully disengaging. So I was having multiple problems with it, so took the clutch out again, sent it back to Mantic. Mantic worked it, sent it back. Should be here tomorrow, which is December 23rd. So what I'm doing right now, just to prevent any other issues, I am actually, so I have the Roush right here. I'm actually taking out the injectors. I already started by taking out the strut tower. I'm gonna take out the injectors. I'm gonna go get them clean, flowed. If they need to be rebuilt, I'm gonna go get them rebuilt. Just so I eliminate any possibility of it being an injector and having a random multiple misfire at idle. So Mondo recommended me to this guy. Sent him. I'm gonna send him today. Hopefully get it done from there. So let's honestly start disconnecting lines. Taking out the injector and we'll get them clean. Kyle should be here any minute, just so we can start doing the tune-up and oil change on that. And let's go from there.
Because it's you and only you.
Alright, so as you guys can see, got the full fuel rail off. I'm just gonna take off the injectors from here, wait for Kyle, and we'll go ahead and send these out. And there's Kyle. It sounds so good now.
Hey, did you hear me?
Yeah, I heard you.
Nice.
It sounds so much better.
I do like driving it now.
It's actually fun.
Yeah, but the clutch is getting a lot worse.
I can smell it.
Yeah, me too.
It smells bad.
Yeah. Hurry up and get your car done.
It's already done. Already have the injectors off.
No, I meant like your clutch.
It's coming in tomorrow.
Oh, you ordered it?
I didn't tell you. I'll tell you right now. We didn't film it, but we changed the exhaust on this.
Yeah.
Look at it. So much better.
Yeah.
Alright, park it.
Alright.
Alrighty, so got all the injectors off. We're on our way to go drop them off to go get cleaned and whatever. And I already told them about it.
Oh.
Yeah, about my clutch coming in tomorrow. We're actually in the G35. He has no driver's seat, passenger seat, so I'm in the back seat. Don't mind the steering wheel being crooked, but other than that,
There's a lot of problems, but it doesn't affect performance.
this thing sounds so much better.
Hey guys, I don't even blame you guys for not buying the SPEC tuning off me. That's a trash exhaust. I was embarrassed to run that exhaust on this car.
You never drove it, now you drive it a lot more now,
I drive it all the time now. Slipping clutch and all. I drive it all the time.
So give her a little rev right here. Oh,
I'll just slip the clutch for you.
Alright, so after some lunch, we got some EGs.
We got EGs.
Good, huh? Start on the tune-up. Got the spark plugs right there. Just gonna take these 4 bolts off, take it off, and the coils will actually be exposed.
Right under,
yeah, right underneath. and then pretty much one bolt and take it out, right?
Easy.
Pretty simple.
You need a special tool to get the spark plugs out.
Spark plug socket.
Yeah. Do you have one?
No, I can ask one of the guys for
don't
him.
have one either.
So, yeah, start on those 4 and we'll get going. Got them all out.
Disgusting.
Now, they're pretty bad. Hopefully you can focus on it, but I mean, they're all worn. They're all pretty worn. This thing is gonna need a new valve cover gasket pretty soon.
One of them had anti-seize, and I literally twisted it off with my fingers.
It was so bad, but
Which should not happen, by the way.
all these are kind of dirty. Pull that last one out. The first one, I mean. This was the dirty one.
With
That is just-
anti-seize that wasn't...
I think that's anti-seize. Yeah, it is. You can see it at the tip.
Yeah. I
God,
literally just twisted it off with my finger.
damn. They're struggling with that one.
Get in there.
Shove it in there, dude.
Firmly grasp it. You bitch.
Anyways, so yeah, they were needed. Just put it on. No. Oh yeah, I can do that too. All right, so they clearly were needed. We're gonna replace them. We got NGKs in there.
Yep.
Iridiums.
Iridiums.
These were
Don't know the
Autolites
difference.
piles.
Iridium and platinum. You said one burns
Just the
colder?
core that's different, and one burns colder than the other.
We want the one that burns colder.
Yes.
Yep. Which is iridium.
Yes.
Right.
From what I know.
Facts. We learned
Because I run Iridium in that,
and now we run, hey guys, NGK.
and I know boosted cars that run Iridium plug. So.
Yeah, we run iridium on all our things.
Anyways, so yeah, they were needed. This is bad. Time to put the new ones in. Hopefully this thing runs. It's gonna run a lot better.
A lot better.
So.
It's gonna sound a lot better. It's gonna run a lot better.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be better
It's gonna be better overall.
overall.
All right, let's get it. Random video today. Random vlog. We're working on the cars.
A little maintenance.
A little maintenance.
Much needed.
Did the spark plugs on. The spark plugs on the G35.
And an oil change.
And an oil change. She's idling better, running better. You guys saw how bad the spark plugs were. Took out the injectors off of the Mustang, sent those out, get clean, possibly rebuilt. I mean, that's pretty much it for today.
Pretty much all we did. Just basic maintenance stuff.
Just a random video. Now, like I said, my clutch will be coming in tomorrow, which tomorrow will be December 23rd.
My clutch is already here.
His-
Waiting on a throw-up bearing.
Yeah, we're
I keep
waiting
forgetting
for
to
my car to get done so we can do his car. Just because I'm taking up a bay at the shop every day. So
Yeah, that's why that's why we haven't done the clutch on this car, because his car is just kind of bricked here.
and you guys
Taking
saw
up the bay.
how bad this thing's slipping.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
So
But and then next week, I get paid next week, and I'm ordering
bash bars.
front and rear.
Are we taking off the bumpers? Yeah.
We're taking off the front bumper, cutting the rear.
True.
We already have to cut the rear because the Z1 Motorsports
Oh, that's right. It
exhaust
melted.
came with a bracket to hold the muffler into one of the hangers, and I don't know, we didn't think we needed it because it was sitting pretty tight when we put it on, and it just like drifted its way over it and it melted the bumper.
So
It looks cool though.
it does. There's more room.
Oh, that's hot.
Oh yeah. Sounds good too.
Yeah.
If you guys are new, please like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so when we upload, you'll know. We're gonna start. I'm just gonna say it. I have a bike. He has a bike. We're gonna start motovlogging period pretty soon.
2022. Okay, listen. 2022. There's a lot of stuff. We have a lot of stuff going on. Like, you could probably bleep this out, right? As far as new trips.
Well,
There's a lot of stuff.
there's a lot of stuff in the works for everything too. Please like, subscribe. You guys know what to do, right?
You know the drill.
Alrighty. Well,
Good.
we'll see you guys later. Remember, don't stop and keep going. Later, guys.